Hi everyone, I'm Lori Hayden, garden coach at English Gardens, West Bloomfield. Welcome to my backyard. We get a lot of questions about transplanting perennials, so I'm going to show you how to do it. Transplanting or replanting is when a plant is moved to a new location. So why transplant? If you need to move a plant to a more suitable location, for example, your neighbor removed a tree and now your shady area is full sun. Or a perennial is planted in a wrong location and it's not performing well. You underestimated the size and need to move it. Or you're redesigning your landscape. So when do you transplant? The general rule is for plants that bloom in the spring or early summer, move them in the fall. Plants that bloom in the late summer or into the fall, move them in the spring. I will be transplanting this Millennium Allium. I want something a little shorter in front of my pond, so I am moving it. Let's get started. First, prepare its new home. Dig a hole about 2 times as wide as the root system. Do this before digging up the plants to minimize the time the plant is out of the ground and increase transplant success. I like putting the dug up soil in a bucket or wheelbarrow. I have 2 allium plants. I'm transplanting only one. The second step is to cut back half the foliage. This will help make it easier to see where to begin digging around the plant. This also helps the plant focus on establishing roots rather than supporting the foliage. Use a clean, sharp shovel. My favorite is the root slayer. Dig a trench around the clump at the drip line, which is the outermost edge of where the roots are growing. This will allow you to lift the plant with most of its roots intact. Inspect the root system. It's a good time to pull any weeds that you may find. Now amend the soil with English Garden Soil Conditioner, which helps enhance the soil with organic nutrient-rich matter. Now check the size of your hole. Plant at the same or slightly higher depth than what it was originally planted. Add Biotone plant starter food around the root ball of the plant, and as you're backfilling with the amended soil. Just backfill around the hole. Tap the soil lightly around the base of the plant and cover with mulch to keep in moisture. And finally, water, water, and water. This is one of the most important factors in the success of your transplant. Keep the soil moist around the base of the plant until the ground freezes. If your plants are starting to wilt and not look great, it's completely normal. Just give it some time. If you have any questions, please visit any English Garden store and talk to one of our experts. I'm Coach Lori, helping to make your life more beautiful by making gardening easier.